All right, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to be analyzing pair we took last week, and why I took it. These are all the trades I called in my Telegram channel. So if you're not there, make sure you join. The link will be in the description and subscribe, like if you find value in it, and if you have any question, comment down. All right, so let me go straight to the analysis. So why did I take this trade on Euro USD? Euro USD is the main pair I'm focusing on for this year. So we were able to make three times on this trade and three almost four times on this trade. So we are able to bang like seven to one risk to reward on this trade. So currently I'm seeing another setup which I'll be explaining in the future of this video. So stay tuned, watch to the end. I'll be explaining another setup that I'm currently seeing. So first thing first, let me go down to the why I took this trade. Let's go to the weekly time frame. We do some top down analysis. Yeah, we don't trade on the weekly or use the weekly to know the overall flow, the direction, and change of market structure and everything. So first, let me explain. I think I should clean this chart. Alright, you guys have seen the trades we took last week. If you missed it, you can join the Telegram. Will be there, so you can. And the next one I'll be posting. I'll make sure I analyze it here also. So first, let me clean this chart. Let it be a clean chart. Let's read this market together. So why I took long on this trade was that this trade, if you look from here, from history, it have been going bearish, and it changed direction to a bullish trend, and it then made a higher high here, or you call it a high, then you call it a higher low here, then a high, another high. That is for a higher high. Some people will say this is a double top, some people will say this is reversal, but I will tell you that no, this thing a bullish trend. This is in high. Alright, then after that, the only way we can know if this is a double top is if the market break to this level, break this previous higher low, come down here and retest it and start going down. Then we say the market have changed trend and is about to sell. But no, instead the market made some higher low, higher high, and made higher low. So if you look at the candlestick very well, I'm taking my time to explain Euro because Euro is what we mainly trade in a Telegram channel. So Euro is what we mainly trade. The Telegram channel is free for now, so make sure you join. So I'm taking my time to explain this pair because this is what you guys stake money on most. Alright, so if you look at the candlestick pattern, you see a reversal candlestick that made this higher low here. The market was trending downwards, then it made a doji. What doji simply means is the doji candlestick, this candlestick right here. What the meaning of this candlestick is an reversal candlestick. That means the market is about to change direction. And doji, when doji form, you have to pay attention, especially when it form on a higher time frame. Let me give you other example of where it form and change direction of market. This is another level. You see a doji. You see a doji here. Market was market was bullish, then the market made the doji started. When the market was going high and making a higher high, made the doji started making a lower low. So all those candlestick chart pattern, you have to know them. You have to know the candlestick patterns. They are very important in reading the market. So after we saw this doji and the market was making a way in a correction move. So we try to look where did this candlestick form? Did it just form anywhere? Is it something we have to pay attention to? So we see that there is a level of there's a level here that market have respected in the past. It's a level here market have respected in the past, and that made a higher low in the past. So that can be a support level for the market, and we don't want this market to break this previous higher low so that the market we don't want to change direction. Want to trade the trend. It will be more easier trading the trend than trading counter trends. So now we know that this market is about to go bullish because of this candlestick formation. This happened last upper week. I'm just explaining why I took those trades. So this happened after a week. So this market is about to go bullish. All right, let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what happened. Okay, on the daily time frame, you can see that the market have been trending, making this beautiful bearish and counter trend, which we took trade on it. Yeah, we trade it. We understand it. We are not just blind by the market. Like if market is going down, we're not going. No, we understand the movement and we trade it. So the market was making this bearish movement, and if you look here, the market stopped after the market came down here. The market was supposed to make um the market was supposed to make what I call lower high and keep going down. But instead, the market didn't close downward. The market closed above the weekly support level. The weekly support level market closed there. So the market is not making any lower high. Now the market is about to make a higher high. Market is about to change trend. Market is about to make a new trend movement. That's what we were able to find out from the weekly. Now on the daily, you see this choppy move here. This choppy move that market indecisions happen here. A lot of people don't know. Some people are still shorting this market and are losing money, but they don't know why. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you. If you short this market and you lose money, don't worry, it's fine. After this video, I'm sure if you watch it again, you'll be able to understand, and next time you'll make better trade. So look at another doji candlestick. Another doji candlestick happened here after the market failed. After the market failed to close below this support level, another doji candle formed next to on the daily time frame. This is kind of a bullish doji, telling us that the market is about to go up. So candlestick is very important in reading the market. You have to be able to read this candlestick to understand it. Okay, now we know that this market have changed direction and it's going up. So now where are we going? Where is our level? Now the main thing we're going to be looking at is to trade up, to trade up, bullish trade. So let me clean this weekly level, we'll not be using it. So first thing first, we'll come here, we'll find our level of support and resistance where we can enter trades. Okay, the best candlestick I like to use when I'm entering trade is the pin bar, the pin bar. So this is a pin bar, this is my trade signal. I don't trade on the 4 hours, I trade on the 1 hour time frame. So I don't trade on the 4 hours. No. But this is one of the candlestick I use for my entry signals. So as I saw it here, we know that the market is about to go bullish. So this was upper week when the NFT news came. Is it NFT? No, NFF. Non-farm payroll news came out, so it moved the market up, and the market rejected back down. So the market rejected back down, and it made this bullish move. And bearish after all this was happening, we didn't trade here, but we know that the market was about to change direction. That we didn't played out on Monday, Tuesday. We didn't have any trade set up. So this way we were able to catch some pips at this level here. This is the level where we were able to catch some pips. Nope, no. This is not the level. We need trade around this level. We're trading above here. This is the level we traded. Yeah. I can believe those days we didn't see any job movement for the NFP news. Alright, this is where we're able to cut. So this where I saw that pin bar I was telling you guys about. Let me show you. So we saw the pin I saw the pin bar, the market came back, we test our support level on the 4 hour. We saw this pin bar, we entered here. So it's one of the entry signal we found. And another one this here. This is another pin bar. So we're able to catch two moves on this chart. Alright, so this way we came here, we drop our support for this time. We were able to catch 3 times risk reward on this one, and we're able to catch almost 4 times. risk reward on this trade. So this was the trade we took for last week. And all right, I will explain those trades. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Make sure you join the Telegram. 'Cause I'll be updating more trades there. Then I'll break them down on my YouTube channel and other platform you can join too. All the link will be in the description. So now the trade we're looking at. Let me explain. Now we know the market is bullish. The market is bullish. If you look at the weekly time frame, you see the weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish, making making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now what do you expect? A higher high. So if you have not make any money in this market or you didn't see any trade last week, don't worry. This week will be fantastic. Like this setups we'll be getting because we'll be trading the trend in a bullish trend. Market will be moving very fast, so don't worry, you'll get off trade. So on a 4 hours time frame, we'll be trading it high. This is a level, a strong level you have to pay attention to. A strong level you have to pay attention to. You must play. It's a strong level you have to pay attention to on the 4 hours time frame. And if you look very well, the market made this bullish move, then it made an impulse move, reversal move to the downside. That is a lower, higher low now. So what we're expecting from here after this move is a higher high. Market should break this high, come back down, retest it, and start going high. So we'll be catching the move that will that will be happening here. Is what we'll be catching. Let me show you. So we want to catch the market movement that will happen at this level here. So and if you look very well, when I tell you about the reversal candlestick or doji, this is another candlestick doji. So the market is done more in a bearish move. Market will be going up. This is another confirmation to the upside. So on Monday, maybe you might not see trade set up on Monday, or maybe towards the evening. But this European, I don't want to trade it towards the evening. So I want to trade during the London. So maybe on Tuesday, market might play out, or on Monday. So if you don't really know when to enter, you can join the Telegram. I'll be updating you when to enter. But currently, you can find trading opportunities here. First, you want this moving average to come down. What now? What we can see? You see the doji, you see pimba, you see an inside bar. But inside bar means candlestick with reversal. But I don't really trade inside bar signal. I trade pimba. So now what we want to do now is to wait for a clear signal to the upside. And we'll be taking this market like this. We'll be trading something like we'll be making almost 5 times our risk to reward or 4.6 times our risk to reward. This is what we have on this trade. So let me show you guys. So this is the trade. This is the setup I have for next week. Make sure you join the Telegram so that you know when I update it. Let me show you guys other trades we took. Well, because of time, I don't want this video to be too long, so I won't be explaining much on these trades. But if you want me to, comment down so that next time when I'm making a video, I will explain more. So we'll have GDP USD. Let's see. GBP USD. We took trade on GBP USD last week. Huh? Let me see. Yeah, this is a trade we took on GBP USD. We made 3 times our risk to reward here. Let's see. We took a trade on gold. Let's see USD. Trade on gold. Yeah, gold we made 4 times, almost 5 times our risk reward. I took a trade on Bitcoin. Trade on Bitcoin. This is a setup. No, BTC USD. We trade on Binance. USDT. Tether. We took a trade on Tether. Yeah, this is a trade. Yeah, we made 4 times our risk reward. This was clean trade. So if you can see all the conference I've been explaining that all here, that is the same way I use and trade the euro. That is the way I've been using it to trade other pairs. So join the free Telegram too. It's free currently. It's a community that I'm building where traders get signals and you get to ask questions, interact with other traders. Make sure you join. Don't worry, there'll be a lot of trading setup here. So the market just change direction to market has started trading the trend. You understand? So there'll be a lot of good trade setup. Alright, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you drop a comment, like, subscribe, and see you next time.